Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making ofili. Go in with groundnut oil into your hot pan. Then we are going to go in with our breaded onions, red pepper and ginger. Add it and mix and combine them together. Then make sure it is well stirred and mix and combine together. Due to I don't want my onions to over fry, I'm going to go in direct with my beef. After adding the beef, you are going to mix it and combine them together until it is well mixed and combined, just the way you are seeing it in this video. Mix it thoroughly, make sure it is well mixed, nice and combined together. After enough mixing, the next thing we are going to do now is to go in with our seasoning. So guys, this is me, Lulu's Kitchen. If you are new here in my Facebook page, please don't forget to like, follow, share and drop your beautiful comment. So we are going to be dropping our seasoning. I add a little bit of nutmeg, thyme, paprika powder, then go in with ginger powder. Then the next thing is to go in with some cinnamon dry leaf. Then the next thing is to go in with salt and thyme. So after adding all those ingredients, the next thing is to do, after you have finished adding the salt, is for you to mix and combine everything together. If you are also watching from my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe in the subscribe button below and always drop your comment and tell me where you are watching from. So guys, this filling, my children was craving for meat pie. Then I don't have carrots, I don't have a potato, so I have to use what I have at home to prepare this filling, and it came out so amazing. I said let me share it with you guys. So as you can see, I bring it down. Then the next thing, I have a little bit of salad in my fridge. I bring it out, I slice it, I go in with some ketchup and crayfish mayonnaise. Add it, make sure it is well add and combine. After adding it, you have to mix it thoroughly and make sure that it is well mixed and combined together. Guys, this filling came out so amazing, so simple, a little ingredient, you are good to go guys. So after mixing the salad, make sure it is well mixed, nice and combined together. I later added my mayonnaise when I was mixing it. Then I go in with the prepared meat. This is the magic. This food was so yummy. In fact, we are even eating it like this. It was so amazing. The filling came so perfect. You can do it guys. So the next thing is to combine the salad and the meat together. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is to go in again with another mayonnaise, because I thought the one I put was enough, so I have to go in again with another mayonnaise. Guys, this food came so amazing. You can use what you have at home to prepare food. You and your kids will enjoy it. You and your kids will be licking your hand, licking every part of your body. Guys, this food was so yummy. I use it to make meat pie, and I also use it to make bread, and it came out so perfect, so easy and so simple. You are going to like it when you try this all recipe. It's so easy and it's so amazing. So guys, as you can see, it's ready. So watch out what I'm going to use it to bake it for. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe if you are watching from my Facebook page, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.